Did a quick video November the 4th. Already got henbit blooming, which is kind of stupid. Some more right there. Some more right there. Crazy. Put a video out on my Facebook page and Instagram page just the other day about my apple tree at the house is almost in full bloom. Crazy weather. One of my mentee's properties. Came over and worked some bees and saw this. I was just coming over here to sit and enjoy the view. I'll walk over there and show you the view. There's some more blooming. Beautiful piece of property. I'd love to own it, but I hate to pay the taxes on it. Thanks for watching Willie Bees. Hit that like, subscribe, and share.